Bugatti himself always wanted to combine materials, unconventional materials that you wouldn't usually see in a car, in cars. And they've kind of continued on his legacy in that way by teaming up with a porcelain factory and creating this masterpiece. This is the Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport L'Or Blanc, meaning white gold, because when we get it out into the sunshine, the white shines so brilliantly, it's like white gold. These are all hand-painted lines. Here you've got the dancing elephant, and that's all porcelain, of course. Just the idea itself, right, is just so unique. I mean, it's like having artwork in your car. It's staged there. It's like hanging it on your wall at home, but you're kind of hanging it on your car. Having this in your garage? Honestly, if you came down every day and you got to look at this in your garage, wouldn't that just make you happy?